Today we're going to be talking about installing a QD end plate. First thing you do is remove the buffer, push it in the buffer retainer and pull that out. Then take a telestock wrench, unscrew the castle nut. Move it back enough so you can twist it sideways and not lose your takedown T-tent spring. When you unscrew this, you want to make sure you hold the buffer retainer in, otherwise it'll shoot out when you back the buffer tube out. When it's off of it, just slowly release the buffer retainer and unscrew your stock. Remove the stock end plate and install your QD end plate. This one can go either way, it doesn't matter which way it goes. Screw it all the way in until it reaches the retainer, then push the retainer down and twist it so it captures the retainer. It's over the shoulder of the retainer holding it in. Sometimes you might have to go one more turn. In this case, you can't go all the way around one more time. Basically, you go till it stops, then back it off until it holds the retainer in. Then you take your spring, put it back in, screw this back as far as it'll go, and then now after that, torque the castle nut back down, and put your buffer and spring back in. This is the QD swivel. It goes right into the socket like that. You press this button, it releases.